The betrayal that saved her life. Let me tell you a story about a woman named Ada. Ada was loyal, loving, hardworking, and dangerously blind to the people around her. She trusted easily. She forgave quickly. She believed everyone had a good heart until life proved her wrong. Ada had a friend named Nana. To Ada, Nana was like a sister. They shared secrets, dreams, tears, and victories. But what Ada didn't know was this: Nana was smiling in her face and stabbing her in private. It started small, little lies, little envy, little manipulations. But one day, Nana crossed a line she could never return from. Ada had applied for a major promotion, one that would change her entire life. She told Nana in confidence, joy, and excitement. Nana congratulated her, hugged her, prayed with her. But behind Ada's back, she sent a message to their boss. Ada is not stable. She's unreliable. She told me she's planning to resign soon. A pure lie, a wicked lie, a calculated lie. And that lie cost Ada the promotion. The job went to someone else. When Ada found out the truth, she confronted Nana with tears in her eyes. Nana simply shrugged and said, "I did what I had to do. No remorse, no apology, nothing." Ada walked away, shattered. For weeks, Ada blamed herself. Was I too trusting? Was I too open? Why would she do this to me? Her heart was broken, not by the lost promotion, but by the betrayal of someone she would have died for. She stopped eating, stopped smiling, stopped praying. Her world felt dark. One night, Ada cried herself to sleep. At 3:21 a.m., she woke up with a strange peace in her chest. A quiet voice whispered, "I removed the promotion to remove the person blocking your destiny." She didn't understand, not yet, but she felt strength rise inside her again. 3 months later, the company went through a massive restructuring. The department Ada had wanted to join, the same department Nana sabotaged her from entering, was suddenly dissolved. All positions were terminated. Everyone in that department lost their job, including Nana. If Ada had gotten that promotion, she would have lost her job too. Her heart shook, her legs weakened. She sat down and whispered, "God, thank you." What she thought was betrayal was actually divine protection. 2 weeks later, Ada received a call from a company she applied to months ago. They had reviewed her experience and wanted her immediately. This new job paid more, respected her more, and aligned with her purpose more. And the best part? It came without the weight of fake friends. Ada walked into that office on her first day feeling light, favored, and protected. My dear, hear me well. Sometimes God allows betrayal because he needs to expose who cannot go where you're going. Sometimes he lets people push you so you can move into the place he prepared. Sometimes a door shuts because danger is behind it. The betrayal that broke you was the protection that saved you. Let them go. Let them walk. Let them betray. Let them talk. God sees what you don't see and knows what you don't know. Some losses are blessings. Some heartbreaks are redirections. Some betrayals are salvation in disguise. And just like Ada, you will look back one day and say, "That betrayal was the best thing that ever happened to me."